In this problem, we want to rationalize the denominator and simplify if possible. Well, let's talk about fractions and radicals. In general, when talking about fractions and radicals, there's to be no fractions inside of a radical. And second one is no radicals in the denominator. Those are our two criteria for working with fractions and radicals. So when they say rationalize the denominator, they're basically saying that we need to make sure those two items are true. No fractions inside of a radical, no radicals in the denominator. Okay, so let's take a look at this problem. We got square root of 14 over the square root of 6. Of course, the issue here is we got a square root in the denominator. Now I might try to simplify it, but 6 is 2 times 3, and that didn't do me good, because for a square root I need pairs of something. 14 is 2 times 7, so I can't really simplify anything there. So what we're going to do is whenever you have a square root down your denominator, how you get rid of it is you multiply the top and bottom by that square root. So we'll multiply the bottom by the square root of 6, and we'll multiply the top part by square root of 6. And we'll see why here in a minute. So up on top, we don't actually multiply those together, we just put them next to each other. And same down below. Now back up on top, we got 14. I want to do the prime factorization of that. That'd be 7 times 2. Now the 6, prime factorization of it is 2 times 3. Now down below, we got a pair of 6's. And with the square root, that's what we're looking for. We're looking for a pair of somethings. Well, since we got a pair of 6's here, that's going to come out in front as a single 6. And since nothing's left inside the square root disappears. Now back up on top, we're looking for pairs of something. Here's a pair of 2's. They're going to come out in front as a single 2. And we're left with a 7 and a 3 inside. And since we don't have a pair of them, we don't have 2 7's or 2 3's, and all we do is multiply those together. So 7 times 3 is 21. And then the last thing, 2 and 6 are both divisible by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So our answer is going to be the square root of 21 over 3.